Hey guys, Jonathan here at Shadow Foam. So we're looking at the DeWalt system again this week and we're trying to get our batteries dialed in. Reason being is the DeWalt Toughsystem charging case had sold out everywhere and I really like the look of it. I like the idea of having all your batteries together, having the charger built into the Toughsystem case. So I was thinking, how do I get my existing DeWalt batteries and all of the mixture of chargers that you end up with into a better system, which is a lot cheaper. So I picked up these DeWalt Pro Organizer boxes. They come in a twin pack. You get a shallow and a deep. These are $24.99 from Costco, and they're everything we're gonna need. They clip together, you can expand it, you can get more and more of these depending on how many batteries you've got, and they're waterproof. They've got a seal all the way around them, so if we put our batteries in here, they're gonna be protected. Now they do come with these plastic molded bins, so we'll take all of these out, and on the shadowfoam.com website, we have DeWalt Pro Organizer inserts. They come in 50mm and 30mm, they come in a variety of colours. Obviously we've got DeWalt yellow here, and these inserts just slot directly into the case and they create a blank canvas for anything. So in this video, we're going to be putting all of the batteries in the deep box, because we need the depth for the batteries. We'll be putting the chargers in the shallow box, and also including one of these little adapters as well to make sure if you're on site, you're going to be able to find enough plugs for yourself. So what we're going to put together is a cost-effective alternative to the Toughsystem Pro Charger case until we manage to get our hands on one. So you're not going to want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon so you don't miss any of those videos, and let's get a layout sorted for these two. Right, so that's the layout sorted. What we've gone for is the two chargers in one of the boxes. That's the shallow box with the little adapter. We'll put the leads, some of the cable go underneath, and we'll put the plugs around the front here. We've also then got space in these top two little like wings to keep two of these little pots in there, because we can just then put all screwdriver bits, bit adapters, any little bits and bobs that you want to keep that are small, don't go in foam, they can go in these bins. And then this box here, I kind of jigged it around a few different ways. Basically, the way it works, I mean, I don't know how your DeWalt tool set is, but usually you get a few bundles of tools, they come with a few batteries. What I've ended up with is 6 of these like low power batteries, 2 amp hours, which is fine, I still use them. And then I've got some of the 5 amp hour batteries, which I bought separately. Now, I would like another one, so the way I've done this layout, I've left space for another battery, so I'll pick one of those up, add that to this case, and then that'll be a 10 battery kit, which I think is great. It's using everything I already had. I've only got to buy one battery. I'm using 2 of the chargers I already had, and it's getting everything organised how I want it. These are going to clip together. So I'm pretty happy with this layout. All we've got to do is cut it now. So when it comes to cutting, for the batteries, as they're so deep, we're going to cut all the way through. So that's dead simple. With the chargers, I'll be cutting those nearly all the way through, but it'll be the same process. Cut all the way around, peel back the foam, slot them in. So all I'm going to need to do this job is one of our basic cutting kits. Now these come free with orders over £60. You can get them separately for $14.99. They've got in there everything you need to do this job. So it's anti-cut gloves, it's a scalpel, blades to go on the scalpel, and forceps to put the blades on. You've got cutting instructions and you've got a sticker in there. So that's everything I'm going to need. That's everything I'm going to be using. So let's get started. So there we go, that's both of them cut, and I'm really happy with that. That's 10 batteries in an insert. It's going to be in this case, waterproof, protected, organised. You're going to know when one's missing, and I think that is a pretty good alternative to the Toughsystem charging case, which is a lot more money than one of these. We've also done the 2 chargers in this insert. We chopped off the 2 like top sections of foam to put the pots in, because we didn't really need that full amount of space. And having those for screwdriver bits is really handy, so I think that's going to be a nice little addition. Then we've got the 2 chargers here, and with the cables, rather than cutting in kind of a messy cable, all I've done is I've cut the plug heads in and then cut like a little channel for the wire, and then the rest of the cable can just go underneath the charger, which is great. And we've also cut in this little power brick. This is super handy. You know what it's like on site. You can't find a plug socket. Well, this one gives you 2 USB. They're only cheap. I think that came from B&M. And then the little insert that we've cut, we've done that in 2 layers. You know, we've cut it a little bit deeper where the pins of the plug go, and that gives us a perfect fit. So between those 2, we've got all the batteries, all the charging gear we're going to need, all nice and organised. Let's get them in the cases. Okay then, so we never really thought about that. The chargers looked like they'd be shallow enough to go in this case, but sadly not. So that case isn't going to work, but not to worry, because I do have a Stanley FatMax DeWalt Pro Organizer. Now, you may know, you may not know that Stanley Black & Decker, the company, own Stanley FatMax, they own DeWalt, they own flipping everything. Do they own me? No, I don't think they do, but they do own a lot of power tool brands. And as such, these cases are the exact same. So this Stanley FatMax one will clip to this one and works in the same way. And for that reason, we will just chuck it in this. And that should give us the exact same result. And then maybe we can use this 30mm shallow one for something else. Let us know in the comments what you think we could use it for. But that is the job done. And we've got the DeWalt case looking great with 10 batteries. And we've got the charging case looking great as well. So these two cases clamped together, you can take them to their job, you've got everything you need. You're talking about $24.99 for the inserts. The cases are about the same, $24.99, 30 quid for a kit of these. And you can get all your batteries dialed in and organized, knowing where they all are, looking after them and knowing when they're missing. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully it inspired you to get your batteries organized, whatever brand it is, even if it's not just DeWalt. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this, what maybe we can use that for, and anything else you'd like to see on the channel. I read every comment on the channel, so I always love hearing your ideas, what videos and what things you want to see us get organised. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, you don't want to miss what we turn that box into. Check out all our other videos, we've got a full DeWalt playlist here of every DeWalt case ever made pretty much by now, organised with some shadow foam in it. So go and check that out. Thanks for watching the video and we'll see you next time.